What's going on, everybody? It's Bernard, and we got a massive blizzard today. Here's a quick peek. And if you've seen my last video, I lost my chain along the highway last time. I was like stranded out there. So, yeah, there's so much snow in here. Yeah, so the whole thing just popped out. So I got the new links today. Got a whole, where is that thing, man? There's a whole chain sitting in here. Just brought it in because they always give me the wrong links. I went to the Yamaha dealer and they gave me the wrong link, which doesn't even fit, right? That was before. This time I did it right. Brought them the chain. They found matching links for it. There's a set in here. Where's the other set? Why can't I find it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so there's 4 of them. Because these I think are a little cheaper because they're not brand made, but they should last for a while. If they break, I can just get new ones anytime, right? Or I got reserves here. So I'm gonna put those on later. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I have no idea. No riding to do anyways in this cold weather. So gotta keep that chain oiled. I think the whole problem was with the chain that came apart in the first place was just not stretched, or I mean it was stretched, and then that caused it to kind of rub and bounce around. That I think unlinked it because it's kind of bounced around on this guard right here. If it's loose, the chain was really loose. I just didn't care about tightening it. It's like whatever, I can do it next time. Never got around to it. So there's all that kind of maintenance work that you just have to do. You can't go without. This thing is dirty as garbage. This thing definitely needs a wash. Gotta seal this up. Hooked up my LEDs before and just didn't seal it up. Just didn't bother. I mean, I'm totally satisfied with these lights, especially in winter, reflecting on the snow. They're super bright. I mean, that's all you need. I also had my rear tail light. There was one fuse in it that was burnt out, so just the brake light worked. I got that fixed. I just put a new bulb in, actually. It works good. Just getting this thing, or keeping it in shape. Got the exhaust welded. Yeah, and got that fitted back in. It was kind of a struggle to get it back in to fit in there. Kind of had to jiggle it around. But eventually got it in. So that's running smoothly again. Nice and quiet. I mean, a loud quad is nice, but too loud is also annoying because it's always loud and it's super annoying because you're always riding with that noise. So sometime in the future I'm planning to sell this one or trade it for a bigger one. I'm satisfied with the power, but not satisfied with the speed. It's just not fast enough. It goes like, if I max it out, it maxes out at 100. I tried it on the highway once, but just it's not fast enough, right? And it's running on 2 high revs. I blew this engine up before, got it rebuilt, and then yeah, so now trying to take it easy on it, kind of. But if I'm going somewhere, right, I don't want to be taking forever. I want to get there. So that's the whole reason really why I'm upgrading. Just need something for longer trips, run at lower RPMs. These smaller quads, like this is a Warrior 350, and then there's a YZ 450. Those are racing quads. They're built to run at high rev for maximum performance, maximum low-end performance. And the 700 is built just for more for long rides. It's more suitable for that. That's what I need it for. So I think I'm gonna get one like that. So anyways, can't do nothing today. It's way too windy. When I just came inside, I was like, whoa, I could barely get any air. You can see there's a shed back there. It's like barely visible on camera. Yeah, and this is March we're talking here. This looks like a January storm, rather December. December was really stormy, and then January was cold, and February didn't know what it wanted, so we had some warm days and then cold. And then now we got March, and it's had some warm days, but now it's extremely cold again. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. In a few days I'll have my next video coming, sorry. I'm gonna do some riding again, see what the conditions are gonna be like then, who knows. Anyway, subscribe for more, and if you also need any phone tutorials, anything with tech support, check out my channel. I got some videos about that, and if you need any, if you have any requests, drop it in the comments. I'll be sure to make a video on that.